How to fix emoji not showing on iPhone keyboard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix emoji not showing on your iPhone's keyboard. Now, whenever you're on any app and you're trying to text someone and you're just wandering, looking around for this emoji keyboard, this is the one. So if you're not finding that, what you can do is you can head over to your settings. After you're on its settings, simply head over to General. After you're on General, you can scroll down till you find Keyboard. Head over there, and there you will see the Keyboards option on the top. Tap on Keyboards, and now here you will see different options. Now in your case, what might have happened is that you might not have this emoji section. That is the emoji keyboard. So you can simply, let me just delete that for a moment. And now what you'll need to do from this point onwards is that tap on Add New Keyboard. Now right here, search for emoji and you'll find it. So open it up and you're basically good to go. Now you can go back to the chat and you'll notice you will have the emoji. And that is how you fix emoji not showing on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.